gonna do today?
Thomas train.
Wow, you have a Thomas train now? A real Thomas?
there.
Over there? Okay, who's coming? Is Daddy coming to give you the Thomas train?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Hello, Daddy. Wow,
We have a Thomas
Jediel.
train for Jediel.
How about Thomas train? Welcome, Jedi.
Open.
Yes, we can open it. You need the help of Daddy.
Yes, we need to get a scissor first. Just wait for Daddy and Daddy will get a scissor for you.
Scissor.
Yes.
Scissor.
This will
But Daddy
open.
will only use the scissor. Because
Scissor.
this is very sharp for the little ones, okay?
Okay. Wow, you finally have Thomas train?
Yeah.
Yes. We dedicate.
Join.
We dedicate this to Jediel's friend Gabrielle
Gabriel
from family side trip because he wanted Jediel to have a Thomas train.
Okay, Gabriel. Here is it, and this is it. The train.
Okay,
Jediel
okay.
bought already.
Yes.
Yes.
So let's take a video of the box first, Jedi,
Okay.
before
What's
Daddy.
this?
So,
What's this?
okay. Her name, they have names. They are carriages, but they have names. This is Annie.
It's about the box.
It's not clear. So this is Annie. And this is Clarabelle. And this one is
Thomas.
Thomas.
You have already Harvey.
A Harvey.
Yeah.
Where's
That's Thomas'
Daddy?
friend.
Where's a Harvey?
You want to get Harvey?
Harvey's here on the
show them
floor.
Harvey.
Okay, so let's take a video. So this is the side of the box. It says it is a 3-in-1 package pickup. There is a cargo drop, and there is a start or stop the action.
We open. Open.
Yes,
Okay,
one
this is
second,
the
can
one
mommy?
No longer wait.
Okay.
So this is from
Trackmaster. So it comes in 3
Toy
track
train.
layouts.
Daddy, did they get this one?
Okay,
Yeah.
and it has 28 pieces. Okay, come on, Daddy,
Okay.
open it.
because the little one can't wait anymore. This is the highlight, and this is the.
Hi, this is a carriage.
He can't wait anymore. Okay.
Wait.
Yeah. So let's.
Are you excited, Jedi?
Yes.
What will you tell your viewers again?
Thank you, viewers.
Okay, I'm going to unbox now using this scissor. So Daddy will only use the scissor because this is sharp. Okay. And
Oh, whoa! Something inside. We open.
yeah, not yet. This one. Going to.
The scissor.
Scissor. This is scotch tape
Cut shape.
that's being attached to the box.
Capture the
All
box.
of them.
All of them.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you following Daddy's work?
Naughty, dirty.
Who's that? Naughty, Daddy or Jedi?
What can you say?
Thank you, viewers. Look, new book.
Okay, and here's more here.
Two more. Two more.
Two more scotch tape. And okay, almost done. And so we need to take care of the box. We will just keep this one, but we need to get what's inside. Okay, here we go.
Well,
Wow.
tracks. Those are tracks, Jedi. Can you show it to mommy?
Mommy, Daddy.
Okay, so these are the tracks.
Okay.
It comes in different colors, so we will assemble this.
Wow, what's that?
What else is inside? Show to mommy. Ooh,
Show it to
some
mommy,
more
show it to mommy.
tracks.
Doesn't mind, doesn't care.
He is excited to find the train.
There's some more trucks inside.
Some
Jedi.
more. Can you
Some
get?
more trucks. Get it. And give it to
Yes,
mommy.
some more
What is it?
tracks.
Oh.
And this is some bridge. Some more tracks in
He
there.
doesn't care about the trucks.
I think the track says
What does it say there?
It's an animal traps.
Okay, that's the instructions. Manual.
Then mommy.
It's a big manual.
Oh, he wanted the Thomas tray now out of the box. So let Daddy help you, Jedi.
Daddy, help you.
Let Daddy help you.
And to get this water trap.
Yes, you can open those.
The awaited moment. I'm back to the train, so...
Okay, so you just have to lift the box and then yes, peel it off. You can, Jedi, you have to be careful.
Whoa.
So we're going to assemble this into this. So included is one carriage, Annie and Annabelle, and there is a cargo,
Okay.
Thomas. One of these, one of that, one of that, one of that. We're gonna assemble this one, this layout.
Okay.
So it is an adult assembly required, no tools needed. Oh.
Okay, mommy. Okay, here's it now. The trains. I'm going to...
Daddy's going to remove the trains,
So-
and Jediel's excited to have the train. So I think we need a battery as well.
Oh no.
Put a battery to...
Be careful, Daddy. Can you help the little
Don't
boy?
worry. Jenny can manage it.
Wow!
Show it to mommy.
Show it to your viewers.
Show
Show
it.
your viewers.
Show
Jedi,
the train. Here's it.
where's the battery?
And
He's excited.
there's some more here, Jenny. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, get it.
The carriages.
The cat, yeah. What do you call this one? Tell mommy.
This the carriages.
Okay, what's the name?
Name.
It's Honey.
Annie and Clarago. Okay, so this is the layout. It's quite a big paper.
We need the battery.
Yes. So this is the instruction, Daddy.
Mommy, one more carriage is here.
Yeah, that's Clarabelle right there.
Mommy.
Okay. No more inside.
No more inside. That's everything in the box. So we'll keep the box.
Hold it here.
And gray, I think. But I'm red.
Mommy, we have this.
Yeah.
Daddy,
See, what am I?
assemble this. Assemble.
Oh, that's assembled na. And the green.
Oh, get on the green.
And then the green. This is the green. This one is number 2. Where is number 1? This one.
To get this
So what we do now is connect the orange.
right, Daddy, here. Ah, okay, good.
He said someone
What about Harvey? Does Harvey have a battery now, Daddy?
You don't have to be worried about Harvey. Harvey is okay. It's fine. Well, Harvey.
Daddy. Oh, he
What's
stopped.
wrong?
Can you help Harvey? Do you want me to help you? Oh, we have to move his crane. Oh, we have to press stop first. Okay, Harvey, move your... And then... Okay, 1, 2. Okay, you can turn it on now. Oops. You have to put him in the middle. Yeah!
And
Yeah!
this one naman, Mami, oh.
And then Thomas is ready now. Whoops. What's that? Wow. So this is the first Thomas Train toy of Jediel. Hopefully he will collect some more parts. Right, Daddy? Other parts sold separately.
Yes.
Oh no.
So
Where?
this is Harvey. You can stop and go.
Where is the...
So Harvey, choo-choo. What are you doing, Jediel?
I put the cover of Thomas.
You have to fix it. Okay, Harvey. Harvey is going. Yes, Harvey is going in blue and is going under the bridge. And oh, there's a giant jetty. Okay, Harvey is keeping going. And it's going to the bridge now. Yes, well done.
Not yet ready.
And it's going under again.
Daddy will screw first the train.
Oh, I really like it, Daddy. Do you like it? I think Harvey's tired now. He needs a new battery change.
And finally here comes Thomas.
Where are the other parts of Thomas?
It's here, heavy. But we can attach this later. Okay.
Put it in the middle.
Come on, Harvey's coming.
Whoa!
Harvey's a bit faster than... Oh no, Thomas is faster than Harvey.
Wow!
Wow. Oh, that's a stop and go.
Yeah.
Oh, wait!
Harvey's too fast.
Uh-oh.
He's pushing. No, Thomas is faster than Harvey. He's pushing Harvey.
Harvey needs a battery change.
Oh no! My Thomas train!
Go, go, go.
Yan ang tumulong.
Why? This is stop and go.
Kada para namin.
Ay!
Harvey, it's too slow. We need to change Harvey's battery, Daddy.
Thomas is pushing Harvey.
Come on. I think we need to change the battery of Harvey, Daddy.
Yeah.
I'll get you a battery.
Harvey is not, Thomas is not down.
Bata ako mag-ipay. Good afternoon ako na ngayon. Daddy. Change the battery of Harvey.
back to the rail track.
We must try this. Whoa!
Jedi, smile to daddy, smile. Again. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Almost
Hey,
here.
smile. Come on, Jedi. Where's Thomas? Point Thomas.
I'm in the point pushing.
Huh? Where's Thomas? Where's Thomas?
Where's Harvey?
Harvey.
Here.
Where? Here. Where? Where? Where's Harvey? Point.
Here.
Where? Where?
There's someone here.
Ah, okay.